Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is the goodness inside yourself. Give yourself some credit. You've done a lot of character carving. You have not let emotions take over you. You're a fire sign. You're not letting your fire consume the whole world and the whole forest, but you're being a bonfire, a fireplace where it's safe for us to come by, roast marshmallows, lay by you, and the embers won't burn us, but it'll just warm us perfectly. Your tempering your emotions will get you further than you can even expect, further than any talent that you can possess. I overcome my imperfections, I polish my character, and I feed on the positive and leave the negative alone. Thus, I free myself and allow goodness to manifest and become the source of joy. A great source of joy turns into gratitude. Gratitude turns into a windfall. Blessings come your way. We are the magnets of the universe. The energy we put out is what we want to receive. Negativity, we want to have obstacles and tests and trials. No, we don't need that anymore. You're in control. Positive energy at all times, no matter what you're surrounded by, will bring blessings and breakthroughs. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, love, and understanding to myself and to others. And I offer forgiveness, and that opens space for you to flourish. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.